Most men dress in a way that quietly lowers their status, not because they lack money, not because they lack taste, but because they've never been taught the principles that men from old, well-established families learn early: how a man presents himself. Today you'll learn 7 appearance habits that instantly elevate how you're perceived. And at the end of this video, I'll give you a simple system that not only makes you look composed, but feel like a man whose life's in order, the way truly refined men do. I'm Dominic, and here we teach men how to carry themselves with intention and quiet confidence. This isn't fashion, this isn't chasing trends. This is about cultivating the classic qualities of presentation: subtlety, quality, and consistency. Clothing shapes psychology. You stand differently, speak differently, get treated differently. And when your appearance reflects discipline and refinement, people notice it instantly, often before they realize why. So let's elevate you with clarity. Number 1, poor fit. Fit is the foundation of refinement. Wealthy families often tailor clothing before boys can even articulate why. Not for luxury, but for discipline. Good fit creates cleaner lines, sharper posture, a well-defined frame, and a presence that feels stable. When clothing skims the body without pulling or sagging, it communicates maturity and capability. A man who respects his clothing is respected in return. If you want to be a part of something bigger than a YouTube channel, join my private newsletter. 1 email a week to make you more grounded, disciplined, and impossible to ignore. Link in the description. Number 2, dressing without intention. Professionals rise when their appearance becomes intentional. Not loud, not dramatic, intentional. Classic style is built on consistency and ease. Simple silhouettes, subtle tones, well-chosen layers. Replace randomness with the quiet clarity of colors like navy, charcoal, or cream. Use solid colors, thoughtful combinations, and clean footwear. You don't need a large wardrobe, you just need a coherent one. Number 3, logos, loudness, and trend chasing. Classic style is never loud. Logos, hype pieces, and flashy sneakers all signal insecurity, trying to appear confident. Refined men favor subtlety, understatement, garments that don't date, and fabrics that speak for themselves. Wool, cashmere, suede, and flannel. These textures signal taste without a word ever being spoken. When you remove the noise from your clothing, your presence becomes the focal point. Number 4, structure matters. Classic outfits rely on structure because structure communicates stability. Consider a coat with defined shoulders. An Oxford shirt that stands properly and rolls beautifully. A jacket that frames your torso and trousers that drape cleanly. Structure makes you look composed even on chaotic days. This is why refined men wear tailored pieces casually, not to look formal but to look anchored. Number 5, low quality accessories. Accessories are where classic style whispers. Not flashy, not gaudy, not oversized. The refined man wears a simple leather watch, a slim card holder, understated eyewear, classic belts, a subtle cuff or ring. Wealthy families pass down accessories because they know they last. Cheap accessories do the opposite, they cheapen everything around them. Number 6, neglected grooming and posture. No amount of good clothes can offset dull grooming and collapsing posture. Classic grooming is consistent, discreet, and restrained. A clean haircut, a tidy beard, subtle aftershave, clean nails, pressed shirts. Posture too creates presence, straight spine, relaxed shoulders, controlled movements. People unconsciously trust men who hold themselves well. Number 7, no signature identity. Most refined men have a style that becomes theirs, not louder but more consistent. Your signature might be a color palette, a favorite outwear style, a preferred shoe silhouette, a favorite fabric, or a scent you become known for. Signature style doesn't make you predictable, it makes you recognizable. Okay, as promised, here's the practical system that refined men use subconsciously. Number 1, the uniform principle. Create a silhouette that suits you and repeat it with variations. Consistency projects confidence. Number 2, the texture triangle. Use one elevated texture per outfit. Suede jacket, flannel trousers, cashmere knit. This signals maturity and quiet luxury. Number 3, the 1-minute mirror test. Ask, does this reflect the man who respects himself and his day? If yes, leave with certainty. If no, adjust one element. This small ritual creates identity alignment every morning. You don't need wealth to dress with refinement. You don't need status to carry presence. You don't need fame to be respected. You need standards. Here we build modern gentlemen. Disciplined, composed, intentional. Men who move through the world with quiet strength. If you're ready to elevate your presence and step into a higher version of yourself, welcome to the Brotherhood.